Welcome to another tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to disable autoplay video on cellular data on Pinterest. Autoplaying videos can be a useful feature for quickly browsing content, but they can significantly impact data usage and internet traffic costs. So, if you want to learn how to disable this feature, stay tuned until the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is open the Pinterest app. Now, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your profile picture again in the top left corner of the screen. In the Settings section, find the Social Permissions option and tap on it. Now scroll down, locate the Autoplay videos on cellular data option, and tap on the switch next to it to turn it off. That's it. Very quick and easy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, please like it and of course, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.